Hello, 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 and welcome to the TV room. This is a game made in July of 1979 by Don Dennis of Toronto, Ontario, Canada. And I'm going to ask for instructions. We are the executioners. Pick one of us, A, B, or C, to destroy as many androids from each row as you wish. Then it is our turn to play. The one who gets the last droid wins. Okay. Do you want to play first? I will say yes. It is your turn. Well, I'm going to try something dramatic here. I'm going to go A. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2. There are 7. I'm going to wipe them all out. I'm going to do 7. We choose one android from row B. All right, which row? I'm going to do C and 1. Two androids from row B. It is your turn. Well, I see already. I am very likely going to lose. Anyway, I will say C. I will say 1. I will shoot 1 from row B. And then I will lose again. Yep. Yep. So this time we'll go row B. 1. And they will get the last android again. Funny, these little dudes that these graphic guys are made of. Would you like another game? No. Thank you for playing. Thank you, yeah. Anyway, the little graphic dudes, I seem to remember seeing them in a magazine. And certainly, yes, it is a very good use of the varying Commodore graphics things. I was like this, and once again, I have not seen this game in probably 40 years, where I was like, wow, is that really? Is it really? And yes, it is. Do you want instructions? No, I don't want instructions. So, how am I going to make this work? Yes, I will do C, and I will do 2. We choose one android from row A. All right, I'm going to do B 3. 4 from row A. Oh, I'm already, I think, doomed again. Well, I'll do A and 1. Yep, doomed again. I'll choose row A. I will say 1. Oh, wait a second. I'm okay. It is your turn. C. Oh, hello. The key is stuck down. Oh, there we go. C. 1. Woohoo! I won. We will play better next time. Would you like another game? I wish, you know what, at this moment, you know what would be good? And I know I have it, and I don't have it right handy. It would be good if I was able to hook up the pet companion made by Rudy of Rudy's Retro Int. There is a limit to our patience. Yes, we're waiting. Would you like another game? I will ponder that. Because then I could hear the sound. I know there was a little gibbering sound on this. I'm sure of it. Well, almost sure of it. Maybe I should go look for. Come on. Would you like another game? Oh, maybe. I'll say no. I do not. Thank you for playing. This would be a great thing to set up. Say at a table at the World of Commodore. People could come by and be tormented by these little dudes. Anyway, the pet companion, which was the thing that, as I said, Rudy of Retro Intel made, and he demonstrated last year at the World of Commodore, lets you get video out of a pet, so you could look at it on other things. He uses it all the time because then you don't have to put the the board back in the computer and hook up the monitor and he did a very cool display. He had the pet and he had 2 other monitors connected. One I think was a Commodore monitor. The other was a flat screen, and it looked really cool. But also it allows for the sound to come through and to be played. And right now, if I were to go and find a pet companion, I could connect it, and I could get little speakers, and I could hear the sound of this game. I could. Maybe I will. Maybe I will. I have much more exploring to do on this little SD card reader. This is the first I've really ever used one, and so far, I would say it's pretty fantastic. And I guess the idea, and I haven't done this, is that I could go online with an SD card reader, and I could download things, save it to them, and just pop them in and load them in, and boom, it's done. So it's a brave new world out there. Anyway, I will ponder the pet companion. But anyway, it would be nice to see you at the World of Commodore, November 30th to December 1st. There'll be all kinds of wonderful things. There's a trip down memory lane, and yes, indeed, I did confirm with the people from RetroRewind.ca, and they make all kinds of great things. If you go to their website or call them or whatever and make arrangements to get something from the show, you don't need to do the shipping, you don't need to do the driving. They'll just have it there for you. Anyway, that is enough for now. Perhaps I will do more to explore what is on this SD card. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.